Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will begin with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So first of all, we have to enter the settings. Now let's tap on the display, and here on the third position we've got the night light. Before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on, so just tap on this option, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then this mode is perfect for you. So here we've got the intensity, and by going to the left with the switcher we can make the screen much cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. So of course it's up to you which option you'd like to use. We can schedule it also. We can turn it on at custom time, so let's tap on it, and here we can manually pick the start time. So for example, let me pick 12 and the end at 7. And as you can see, the screen immediately turns back to, maybe not turns back, but the device immediately and automatically turns on the night light. It is of course because we are between the start and end time. But let me turn off this option. And basically this is the whole customization. So if you want to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar. And I've got some problems with, okay. Unroll it fully, and as you can see the night light will appear after customizing it. So if for some reason if it did not appear, then just tap on this pencil icon, scroll down, and you will be able to find it right here. So you can easily turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see the screen turns back to its normal state, and tap on it again to turn this mode on. So actually, and this is it. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.